In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Teams. This will be a straightforward guide that anyone can follow, whether you're a seasoned pro needing a quick refresher or a newcomer venturing into Microsoft Teams for the first time. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. Once you're there, type in Microsoft Teams into the search bar and press Enter. This search should bring up a list of results related to Microsoft Teams, but you'll want to look for the official link. It should state it's from Microsoft, so scroll through the search results until you find an official link that you can click on confidently. Once you've clicked on the official Microsoft Teams link, you'll find yourself on the landing page. Take a moment to look around if it's your first visit, but what we're focusing on is in the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and press that button to proceed. You'll now be prompted to sign in again. This might seem a little repetitive, but it's just part of the security process. Click Sign In once more, and you'll be led to a page where you'll need to enter your credentials. At this stage, you have the option to either use your email address or phone number to log in. This is handy because it allows you to use whichever is more convenient for you. For the purposes of this example, I'm going to use my email address. So just type in your email and prepare for the next step. After entering your email or phone number, you'll need to press the Send Code button. This code is essential for verifying your identity. Now, pause for a minute and check your email inbox or text messages, depending on whether you chose to use your email or phone number. You should receive a code shortly. Once you have your code, return to the browser and enter it in the designated field. This code helps ensure that your account is secure and that it's truly you logging in. After entering your verification code, you'll be asked if you want to stay signed in. This is entirely up to personal preference. Selecting Stay Signed In saves time in future logins, but make sure you're on a private, secure device. Once you've made that choice, you're all set. And that's really all there is to it, folks. You're now logged into Microsoft Teams and ready to collaborate, attend meetings, or chat with your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.